Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche 911 bonnet. First, locate the release lever for the front bonnet, typically found on the driver's side, near the door sill or footwell. Pull this lever firmly to unlatch the front bonnet. You'll hear a click as it releases. Then, gently lift the bonnet and secure it using the prop rod, usually stored within the bonnet itself. This gives you access to the front storage area. Now let's access the engine compartment. There's a separate release for the rear engine cover, often located next to the front bonnet release or sometimes in the center console. Pull this second lever to unlatch the engine cover. You'll hear another distinct click. Carefully lift the engine cover, which usually has its own built-in support mechanism to hold it open, providing access to the engine. If your primary front bonnet release ever fails, there's an emergency method. You'll need to locate a small cable, often hidden in the front passenger side wheel well, behind the liner. Gently pull back the liner to find the loop or cable end. Pull this cable firmly and steadily to manually unlatch the front bonnet. This is a crucial backup for unexpected situations. To close the front bonnet, first remove the prop rod and secure it in its holder. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 1 foot above the latch, then let it drop to ensure it closes securely. For the engine cover, simply lower it until it clicks into place. Always double-check that both bonnets are fully latched before driving. And hey, if you're looking for great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.